Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to make Shopify abandoned cart discount. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over to the discounts right here. And then from in there, just head over and click on this create discount. So once you have clicked on that, just choose which discount type you want. So for me, I'll just choose this amount of order. So let's click on this amount of order. Then from in there, just head over and generate a code. So for example, let's put in here, welcome back. And then from in there, you can put in here a discount value percentage. So for me, I'll just put in 10. So in here, we just need to put in here a minimum purchase requirements, or you can also not put anything of that. So under the customer eligibility, this is the very specific thing that you need to take care of. And over and click on the specific customer segments, and then click on this right here, or you can also click on browse. And then in here, you should be able to see some segments of customers. So for example, you can just choose this one, just abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days. So head over and click on this one and click on add. And then in here, you can also put in your maximum discount uses so you can limit their use. Or you can also be combined with the shipping discounts or anything that you want. And it will be the time wherein it will be active. So this is the summary. The discount code is welcome back. The amount of order is the code. And you can also put in here on your online store, which is 10% of entire order and can be combined with shipping products. So click on save right here. And then from in there, we should be able to just put in here a limit, or you can also limit views per customers as well. Totally depends on you for this one. So head over and click on save again. As you can see, it has been saved right here. So this discount code right here, it can be flashed to your actual website for those people who haven't purchased for the last 30 days. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because this helps reach more people. See you soon.